Hi everyone, we are at Baskin Robbins. So now today I'm going to show you how we make our customized ice cream sticks. So here we have two flavors. This is pistachio almond and this is chocolate chip. So today we're going to make with this chocolate chip. We have three sauces for our bites. This one is plain chocolate. This one is hazelnut. And the last one we have is pistachio. So now we were going to use this chocolate for our ice cream stick because it's good with the chocolate chip. It tastes very nice with that. So for the drizzle, we have three dipping sauces. We have hazelnut, pistachio, and this side we have white chocolate to drizzle. So now we are going to drizzle with the white chocolate. Now we have different toppings for our ice cream stick. We have pistachio, we have caramelized hazelnut, caramelized almond, and we have normal almonds. So with this, I'm gonna put normal almond. So now your ice cream stick is ready to eat.
Hello everyone, welcome to Magnum in Dubai. Here I'm going to show you how to make Magnum ice cream. First we have the Magnum vanilla ice cream. It's a classic ice cream, and this ice cream is the one that we get to choose to dip it in a dark chocolate or milk chocolate or white chocolate. We have the classic vanilla bar, and in this bar we are going to dip it in our dipping of our selection. We have various toppings that our customer can be able to select. For example, we have the natural violet, we have the raspberry, we have the gold chocolate. So we get a chance to select three toppings of your choice. Once the customer picks the toppings, the three toppings, it's mixed on this shaker. Then we are going to put our toppings. So on this section, we are going to put a drizzle on top of our ice cream. Let's say we'll put the milk, the white chocolate, okay. And there goes our drizzle. So, and now the last step, we put the Magnum signature coin, and your ice cream is ready.